Here we are given that there is y square plus 10y plus there is 24 over here. This number we have to divide by y plus 4. Okay, now you have to pay attention over here. Yesterday we were doing sums. There was only y or y square. Only one number was there in the expression. Here there are two numbers in the expression. So you have to pay complete attention over here. So how will you start the question? First we'll check the degree. So the highest degree is what? It is 2. Here the degree is 1. And here the degree is what? It is 0. So it is arranged in increasing order. Like you can say from highest to lowest. So it is arranged properly. So you can start the question accordingly. So here you will take y plus 4. Inside it will be y square plus 10y plus 24. Now, the first number that you will eliminate is what? It is y square. So what you'll do? You'll write y square divided by y. Y and this square will get cancelled. Your answer will be what? It will be only y. So the top you'll write y. Here you will write y square. And you have to do one more step. You have to also multiply this 4 with y. So 4 into y will be what? 4 into y will be 4y. So you have to pay attention over here. You have to also multiply with the 4 also. Next step is you will subtract. So once you subtract, what happens? This y square and this y square will get cancelled. This plus 4y, it will change into what? Minus 4y. Now in 10 and 4, which number is bigger? Of course, 10 is bigger. So sign will be what? It will be plus.
Yeah.
Both the signs, plus 10y, and over here, the sign is what? Minus 4y. So the signs are different. So you'll what? Subtract. And over here, it will be what? Plus 24. Okay, because you have to bring the 24 down. Next is, you have to eliminate what? You have to eliminate 6y. You will eliminate 6y with the help of y. So over here, y and this y will get cancelled. Your answer will be
6.
only 6. So at the top, it will be 6. Y into 6 is what? It will be 6y. Plus into plus will be plus.
Plus
4 into 6 will be 24.
24.
Now, you will subtract both. Once you subtract, this 6y will get cancelled. Now, this plus 24, it will change to minus.
Minus.
What will happen? This 24 and 24 will get cancelled. Your answer will be what? 0.
0.
The second question it is given as p square plus 7p minus 5. This you have to divide by what? P plus 3. So how will you solve a question like this? Firstly, you have to check the degree. So degree over here is what? It is 2. Here the degree is what? It is 1. And here degree is what? 0. So it is arranged in increasing order. Okay. Okay. Now in the next thing, what we'll do is we'll write p square. Then we'll write 7p. And we'll write minus 5. Here we'll write p plus 3. Okay. Now you have to pay attention. First, what we'll do, we'll eliminate p square. So I'll write p square over here. We'll eliminate p square with the help of p. So this p and this square will get cancelled. Our answer will be what? Only p. So here I'll write p. Here I'll write p square. One important thing over here is you have to also multiply the 3 with the p. So 3 into p will be what? Plus into plus is plus. 3 into p will be what? 3p. So this is one important step which you have to pay attention. Next is we'll subtract. So on subtracting, p square will get cancelled. Here instead of plus, the sign will change to minus. Now in 7 and 3, the greater number sign is what? Plus. Plus and minus. So the signs are different. We'll subtract both of them. So 7 minus 3, our answer will be 4p. Then we'll bring -5 नीचे. So -5 नीचे आ गया. Now we'll eliminate 4p with the help of p. Just we are doing like before sums in 10.1, the same exact thing we have to do. So we'll eliminate 4p with the help of p. So p and p will get cancelled. Our answer will be what? 4. So I'll write +4 over here. I will write 4p over here. The important step which you have to pay attention, you have to also multiply the 3 with the 4. So 3 into 4 becomes what? It becomes 12. You will subtract. On subtracting, this 4p will get cancelled. This plus will change to what? Minus. Okay, just pay attention to this. Now in 5 and 12, which is the bigger number, it is 12. So I'll put minus sign down. Always put sign of greater number. Then what we see is the sign of 5 is minus. The sign of 12 is also minus. So both the signs are same. So you will add both of them. So you'll get the remainder as what? -17. So the third question it is given as, it is 3x plus 2x square plus over here it is 4x cube. This number you have to divide by what? X minus 4. So the first and foremost what we'll do is, we'll write the degrees. So over here, the degree is what? 1. Here, the degree is what? It is 2. Here, the degree is what? It is 3. So the first thing you have to do is, you have to write the highest degree term first. So I'll write 4x cube pehle. Then afterwards, it will be 2x square. Then it will be what? 3x. Now this number, you will divide by what? X minus 4. So this is the most important step. Always write the highest degree term first. Then accordingly, you go towards the lower term. Now, same thing you will do. 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. This number, you will divide by what? X minus 4. The first thing is, you have to eliminate 4x cube. You will eliminate 4x cube with the help of x. So this will be what? It will be 4 x raised to 2 minus 1. So your answer will be what? It will be 4x. So at the top you will write 4x. Now so over here you will write 4x cube. Now you have to multiply 4 with 4x also. So don't forget this. So minus into plus is what? Minus. 4 into 4x is what? 16. And over here it will be what? X. So just 1 second. I made a mistake. Here it will be what? 3 minus 1. So it will be 4x square. So here it will be 4x square. So it will be what? 4 into 4 is 16. Over here it will be what? X square. So next thing that you'll do is, you will subtract this. So if we subtract, what happens? This part get cancelled. This minus sign changes to plus. Now, in 2 and 16, the bigger number is plus. That is 16 is bigger, so its sign will be plus. Here 2 ka sign is plus. 16 ka sign is plus. Both the signs are same. Once the signs are same, you will add the number. So it will be 18x square. And the next number will be what? 3x. Now you will try to eliminate what? 18x square. With the help of what? X. So this x and this square will get cancelled. Our answer will be what? 18x. I will write this 18x at the top. And over here, I will write 18x square. Okay. Now, the most important part, don't forget to multiply 4 with 18. So minus into plus is minus. 4 into 18 is what? 72 into x. Now you subtract. Once you subtract, this 18x square gets cancelled. This minus 72x, it changes to what? Plus. Now 72 and 3, which is the bigger number 72, the sign over here will be plus. Both the signs are same, so you'll add the numbers. Over here it will be what? 75x. Now you will try to eliminate what? 75x. So I'll write 75x. You will eliminate it with the help of what? X. So x and x gets cancelled. Your answer is what? 75. So here you will write plus 75 at the top. So 75 into x will be 75x. Here the sign will be plus. This will get cancelled. Now don't forget to multiply this. So minus into plus is minus. 4 into 75 is what? It is 300. You subtract. Subtraction की वजह से क्या होएगा? This 300 का sign will change. It will become plus. So the remainder is what? It is plus 300. If you have a doubt, you can. Okay. So the fourth question is, over here it is 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9. You are dividing this by what? You are dividing this by 2m minus 1. Okay. So the first thing is you will write 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9. First is we have to check the degree. So over here it is 3. Here it is 2. 1. And over here it is 0. So everything is arranged properly. So you don't need to change anything. Okay. So I'm just eliminating this part. Okay. This you have to divide by. So this number you will divide by 2m minus 1. So the first thing that you will do is you will try to eliminate 2m cube with 2m. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Over here it will be m raised to 3 minus 1. So this is what? M square. I'll write m square over here. I will write 2m cube over here. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into m square is what? M square. Next is always you have to subtract. So on subtracting, this term gets cancelled. The minus m square at the bottom, its sign changes to what? Plus. Now over here, this is what? 1 over here. Even here it is 1. So in 1 and 1, the bigger number sign is 1. So I'll put plus sign at the bottom. The sign of both the numbers are same. So I'll add them. So it will be what? Plus 2m square plus m plus 9. The next number that I have to eliminate is what? 2m square. I will eliminate 2m square with the help of 2m. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Over here, only m will remain. That is m raised to 2 minus 1, which is what? M. So I'll write m over here. I'll write 2m square over here. Now you have to multiply minus 1 with plus m. So minus into plus is what? Minus. 1 into m is what? M. Next is subtract. On subtracting, this sign gets cancelled, or this term gets cancelled. The sign of minus m changes to what? Plus m. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. So greater number in both of them is 1. So I'll put plus over here. Both the signs are same. So you will add. You will get 2m plus 9. Next is you have to eliminate 2m with the help of 2m. So 2m upon 2m is what? It is 1. Okay. So I'll write 1 over here. And I'll write 2m over here. So this part gets cancelled. Minus into plus is what? Minus. 1 into 1 is what? 1. Again, I'll subtract. So the sign of minus 1 will change to what? Plus 1. 9 plus 1 is what? It is 10. So 10 will be your remainder. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So in the fifth question, it is given as 3x minus 3x square minus 12 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3. Over here, the degree of this is what? 1. Here it is 2. For 12, the degree is what? 0. Over here it is 4. Over here it is 3. The first thing is we have to arrange it. So the highest will be 4, then 3, 2, 1, and 0. So in place of 4, I'll write x raised to 4. In place of 3, I'll write plus x cube, because over here it is plus x cube. That's why. In place of x square, I'll write minus 3x square. In place of 1, I'll write plus 3x. In place of 0, I'll write minus 12. So this will be our very first step. That is arranging them according to their proper degrees. I have to divide this number by what? Over here also I have to arrange them. So I'll write x square pehle, then I'll write 2 over here. Because I know x square ka degree is what? 2 and degree of 2 is what? 0. So I'll write x square pehle and I'll write 2 baad mein. Now what we'll do? So I written x square plus 2. This number you will divide by x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 12. Okay. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to eliminate x raised to 4. You'll eliminate x raised to 4 with x square. So over here you will divide this by what? X square. This will be what? It will be x raised to 4 minus 2. So over here it will be what? X square. So I'll write x square over here and I'll write x raised to 4 over here. Next is, don't forget to multiply 2 with x square. So 2 into x square is what? 2x square. Now you have to pay careful attention over here. Here it is 2 into x square. So I'll write 2 into x square. I won't write over here. I'll write it below x square ka term. So I'll write 2x square here. Okay. Don't forget to see what will happen is, if you put 2x square over here, you can't subtract or add 2x square and x cube. That's why you have to put this 2x square below this. Okay. Don't forget this step. This is very important. Okay. Now our next step will be what? We'll subtract this. On subtracting, we will cancel this. The sign of plus 2x square will change to minus. Now in 3 and 2, the bigger number sign is 3. So I'll put minus sign over here. 3 ka sign is minus. 2 ka sign is minus. So both the signs are same. So you'll add both of them. So you'll get 5x square over here. You'll get 3x. X cube will be down. And over here you will get minus 12. Next, we'll eliminate x cube with the help of x square. So I'll write x cube. Here I'll write x square. So it will be x raised to 3 minus 2. So it will be what? X. So I'll write x over here. Now, x square into x is what? X cube. Plus into plus is what? Plus. 2 into x is 2x. Just pay attention. This 2x, you won't write below this 5x square. You will write below 3x. So I'll write 2x over here. The next is you will subtract. On subtracting, this will get cancelled. The plus 2x sign will change to minus 2x. Now, in 3x and 2x, which is the greater number, of course, it is 3. So I'll put plus sign at the bottom. 3 ka sign is plus, 2 ka sign is minus. So both the signs are different. So we'll subtract. 3 minus 2 is what? It is 1x. Here I'll put minus 12. Here I'll put minus 5x square. The next term that you have to eliminate is 5x square. So I'll eliminate minus 5x square with the help of x square. So this x square and x square gets cancelled. Over here it will be what? Minus 5. So I'll write minus 5 at the top. Now, here it will be minus 5x square. Again, you have to pay attention. First is plus into minus is minus. 2 into 5 is what? 10. I'll write the 10 not over here, but below minus 12. So it will be minus 10 over here. Again, I'll subtract. This will get cancelled. This minus 10 sign will change to plus 10. Now in 12 and 10, the greater number sign is minus. Both the signs are different. So you subtract. 12 minus 10 is what? 2. And I'll write 1x at the. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Now in the sixth sum, here it is a raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1. Okay. This number we have to divide by what? A cube minus 2. So here we'll check the degree. Here it is 4. here it is 3, here it is 2, here it is 1, and here it is 0. Okay, so it is properly arranged. So I'll just write a raised to 4, then a cube, then a square minus a plus 1. This number will divide by what? We'll divide it by a cube minus 2. So the first number that you have to eliminate is a raised to 4. So I'll eliminate this a raised to 4 with the help of a cube. So this will be what? A raised to 4 minus 3. This is what? A. So I'll write a over here. I'll write a raised to 4 at the bottom. Minus into plus is what? Minus. 2 into a is what? 2a. So where I'll write this 2a, I won't write it over here. I won't write it over here also. I'll write below a. So here it will be what? Minus 2a. Okay, so I'll subtract this. This term will get cancelled. This minus 2a will change to what? Plus 2a. Okay, in plus 2a and minus 2a, which number is bigger? So the bigger number is plus. So I'll put plus sign at the bottom. Now in minus and plus, the signs are different. Well, subtract both of them. So 2 minus 1. See, here there is no number written. So I'll consider it as what? 1. 2 minus 1 is what? It is 1a. Okay. Now which all numbers will come down? Here it will be minus a cube. Here it will be a square. And here it will be plus 1. So the next number that you have to eliminate is what? It is a cube. Sorry, minus a cube. So eliminate minus a cube by a cube. So a cube and a cube get cancelled. Over here it will be minus 1. So I'll write minus 1 over here. Okay, now next. I'll write minus a cube at the bottom. Minus into minus is what? Plus. 2 into 1 is what? 2. So I'll write the 2 where? I'll write it over here. Not here and not here. Okay, this term will get cancelled. Okay, so the next term will be what? A square will be coming at the bottom. 1a will be coming at the bottom. This plus 2 sign will change to what? It will change to minus. Now in 2 and 1, the greater number sign is what? Minus. Both the signs are different. If both the signs are different, you will subtract. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Now you can't eliminate a square with a cube. Why? Because the upper term, you can see, the degree of the denominator is what? 3. The degree of the numerator is what? 2. Okay, so you can't solve this question. So you'll leave the question as it is. So this will be our remainder. So here the question is 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube. Then it is minus 7x plus 1. You have to divide this number by what? 4x minus 1. We'll check the degree. Here it is 4. Here it is 3. Here it is 1. Here it is 0. So you can see over here, 2 is missing. Okay, 2 नहीं है यहाँ पे. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? ध्यान देना. सबसे पहले चीज, you'll write 4x raised to 4. This is the first thing you have to pay attention. Next is minus 5x cube. 4 का डिग्री लिखा, 3 का डिग्री लिखा. अब 2 के लिए आप क्या करोगे? 2 के लिए कोई डिग्री नहीं है, तो आप सिंपली क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पे? 0x स्क्वायर लिखोगे. वापस रिपीट कर देखो, यहाँ पे 2 डिग्री वाला टर्म नहीं है, तो 2 डिग्री वाला टर्म नहीं रहेगा, तो आप वहां पे क्या लिखोगे? 0x स्क्वायर लिखोगे उसकी जगह पे. ठीक है, फिर आगे क्या आएगा? 7x जिसका डिग्री क्या है? 1. फिर क्या आएगा? जिसका डिग्री क्या है? 0. अब ये नंबर को आप डिवाइड किससे करोगे? 4x minus 1. अब ये क्यों करना पड़ा? क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे अगर सिर्फ 4x अकेला रहता तो आपको ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर 4x के साथ और एक नंबर रहेगा तो आपको ये करना पड़ेगा ये स्टेप. ओके, अब ध्यान दो कैसे सॉल्व करोगे. सो हियर इट इज व्हाट? 4x स्क्वायर, सॉरी 4x रेज़ टू 4 minus 5x cube plus 0x square minus 7x plus 1. So what you'll do is you'll try to eliminate 1 terms. So you have to eliminate with the help of what? 4x minus 1. So the first term that you will eliminate is 4x raised to 4. You will eliminate with the help of what? 4x. So I'll write 4x raised to 4 upon it will be what? 4x. This 4 and 4 will get cancelled. X and this x raised to 4 will get cancelled. So over here it will be what? X cube. So I'll write 4x, sorry, 1 second. I'll write x cube over here and I'll write 4x raised to 4 at the bottom. Don't forget to multiply minus 1 with x cube. So minus into plus is what? Minus. 1 into x cube is what? X cube. So where I'll write the x cube? Below 5x cube. So here it will be what? 1x cube and its sign will be what? Minus. Okay. I hope इसका आइडिया आपको रहेगा. देखो यहाँ पे x क्यूब आया, इधर भी x क्यूब आया, तो आप एक के नीचे एक लिखोगे. पिछले बार क्या हो रहा था? x स्क्वायर आ रहा था, तो x स्क्वायर को आप x क्यूब के नीचे नहीं लिखोगे. ये कंफ्यूजन आपके मन में नहीं रहना चाहिए अभी. चल, सबट्रैक्ट करने पे क्या होएगा? ये कैंसिल आउट होएगा. ये माइनस का साइन चेंज होएगा किसमें? प्लस में. 5 और 1 में कौन बड़ा है? ऑफ कोर्स माइनस साइन बड़ा है, तो आप क्या करोगे? माइनस साइन लिखोगे. यहाँ पे दोनों का साइन क्या है? डिफरेंट. तो दोनों का साइन डिफरेंट रहेगा, तो आप क्या करोगे? सबट्रैक्ट. तो 5 माइनस 1 कितना आएगा? 4x क्यूब. यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? 0x स्क्वायर. फिर क्या आएगा? माइनस 7x और आगे क्या आएगा? प्लस 1. नेक्स्ट आप क्या करोगे? इसको एलिमिनेट करना है. माइनस 4x क्यूब को किसके मदद से करोगे? 4x की मदद से. 4 और 4 कैंसिल. x और ये ठीक है. अभी x क्यूब को कैसे एलिमिनेट करोगे? ध्यान देना. x क्यूब माइनस यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 1 आएगा. तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? माइनस 1x स्क्वायर. ऊपर में क्या लिखूंगा? माइनस x स्क्वायर लिखूंगा. अब नेक्स्ट इसके नीचे में क्या लिखने वाला हूं? माइनस 4x क्यूब लिखूंगा. ये मत बोलना इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने. तो माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या होएगा? प्लस. 1 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर क्या होएगा? 1x स्क्वायर. एक्स स्क्वायर को मैं एक्स स्क्वायर के नीचे लिखूंगा. अब मैं क्या करूंगा? सबट्रैक्ट करूंगा. ये कैंसिल आउट होएगा. प्लस 1x स्क्वायर किसमें चेंज होएगा? माइनस 1x स्क्वायर में. अब मैं नीचे क्या लिखूंगा? 1 और 0 में कौन बड़ा है? 1 बड़ा है, तो उसका साइन क्या आएगा? माइनस. दोनों का साइन डिफरेंट है, तो सबट्रैक्ट करोगे. 1 माइनस 0 क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर आएगा. माइनस 7x प्लस 1. अब आप किसको एलिमिनेट करोगे? माइनस 1x स्क्वायर को किसके मदद से करोगे? 4x के मदद से. तो यहाँ पे ये तो एज इट इज आएगा. माइनस 1/4. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. सो इसका आंसर कितना आएगा? माइनस 1/4 x आएगा. इधर आप क्या लिखोगे? माइनस 1/4x लिखोगे. नीचे आप क्या लिखोगे? माइनस 1x स्क्वायर लिखोगे. इसको आप क्या करोगे? सबट्रैक्ट. ये क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल. नेक्स्ट आप इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने मत बोलना. दैट इज माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या होएगा? प्लस. 1 इंटू 1/4 क्या होएगा? 1/4x होएगा. अब बहुत जन को है ना ये कैलकुलेशन में डर लगता है, तो मैं जस्ट इसको सॉल्व करके आपको बताता हूं. ध्यान देना. -7 इसको क्या ऐड करना है? 1/4 ऐड करना है. ओके. अब आप क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? तो जरा ध्यान देना. इसका डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? इसको मैं 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा और इसको क्या करूंगा? 4 से डिवाइड करूंगा. तो 4 इंटू -7 कितना होएगा? -28. प्लस यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 1 अपॉन कितना आएगा? 4 आएगा. ग्रेटर नंबर कौन है? -28 और +1 में, तो माइनस है. तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिखूंगा? माइनस साइन डालूंगा. दोनों का साइन डिफरेंट है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? सबट्रैक्ट. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 27/4 आएगा. ठीक, तो इसका जो भी आंसर आएगा ये कितना आएगा? -27/4 x आएगा. और इधर कितना आएगा? +1 आएगा. अब नेक्स्ट आप किसको एलिमिनेट करोगे? -27/4, इसको किससे एलिमिनेट करना है? 4 के साथ। अब ये 4 को आप कहाँ लेके जाओगे? ऊपर लेके जाओगे। तो ऊपर लेके जाओगे तो कैसे दिखेगा? 27/4। 4 को ऊपर लेके जाओगे तो ये कितना आएगा? 1/4 आएगा। तो ये कितना होएगा? -27/16 आएगा। तो इधर आप लिखोगे -27/16। ओके, माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या होएगा? अभी देखना है ये कितना होएगा। -27/4x माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या होएगा? प्लस 1 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 27/16 से। तो यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 27/16। ये क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल आउट होएगा। 1 माइनस क्या करोगे? 27/16। अब इधर आप कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? इधर आप 1 को किससे करोगे? 16 से मल्टीप्लाई और 16 से डिवाइड। तो ये कितना होएगा? 16 माइनस 27 अपॉन कितना होएगा? 16। यहाँ पे साइन क्या रहेगा? माइनस, क्योंकि ग्रेटर नंबर माइनस है। दोनों का साइन क्या डिफरेंट, तो आप क्या करोगे? सबट्रैक्ट। यहाँ पे आंसर कितना आएगा? 16। तो आपका फाइनल आंसर कितना आ रहा है? रिमाइंडर -11/16। ये आपका क्या रहेगा? थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूं आप एटलीस्ट इधर तक तो खुद से कर सकते हो। इसके आगे का पार्ट थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स है, ज्यादा टेंशन मत लो। ऐसे डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछेंगे ना एग्जाम में, लेकिन एटलीस्ट इधर तक तो आपसे होना चाहिए।